Most people think you need tons of money, thousands of dollars to put into side hustles to get started, and that is just not the case. Anybody can start a side hustle, and obviously what you put in it is what you're going to get out of it, but you can do it without anything, without investing any money up front. Just give a little of your time. I'm going to tell you 7 different side hustles that you can start now on your own without spending any extra money. First one, digital products. Digital products are a great way to make passive income because once the digital product has been created, you put it out there and it just generates sales. The files are set up to automatically send to the customer. You don't have to do anything once the purchase is initiated or completed. You do all the work up front. So once your products are out there, you are good to go. So that really does become passive income for you. Some examples of digital products are birthday invitations. You can do digital wall art. That is a very popular one. A lot of people have custom wall art that they've done. And again, Canva is a really great tool. I recommend upgrading to Canva Pro if you take this seriously and start creating your own digital product. But Canva is a very user-friendly app that you can use to start today. Another place to list digital products is on Etsy. I personally have a shop on Etsy. During COVID, I started a business selling decorative book sets, and so I customized them by made to order based off of the person's selection on color, and I put together a set and then had them verify whether they liked the titles I selected or not. So they're able to see it before they got it shipped to them. That was a very lucrative business for a bit, but it was a lot of time going into it, and it just wasn't a good long-term solution for a side hustle for me. But I still have the shop and I still have digital products that I put on that shop. The next one, 2, content creation. So being able to monetize, if you enjoy creating content just for fun, why not set goals for yourself to monetize? You have to meet certain thresholds, certain requirements for different platforms. For example, like on TikTok, you have to have 10,000 followers before you can join the Creator Rewards Fund, which pays you for views over 1,000. It pays out differently based off of your content type. YouTube, you need 500 subscribers, and you need either 4,000 watch hours on your long form videos or 3 million shorts views within a 90-day period. So, and then you're able to monetize, get ad revenue and things like that. So if you're already creating content anyway, or if it's something that you really think you would enjoy doing, it is a great idea to just make some extra income. It's not gonna be life-changing for most people, but it can be if you really put in the hard work. So, and if you just do it and it's a little extra money coming in, that's extra money coming in. The best thing about making money using content creation is that it's compounding. It's work to create the content, create the videos, edit, all the things behind the scenes. But once a video is out there, it can make money for you overnight. You can be sleeping and you can be racking up views. Something could go viral. You could get money for brand deals, for people reaching out to you, become an affiliate for different brands. And there's just endless opportunities if you have the following. The next one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, it kind of goes hand in hand with the content creation, but you can sign up to be an affiliate with Amazon, to where you can get special links to anything on Amazon that if you share that link and somebody clicks it and purchases it, you get a commission. I think it's like 4.5% on most things. And so if you are a big content creator and you are sharing your links for products that you use, then people are most likely going to click those links and want to purchase. So that is a way a lot of people are making money. Also, TikTok Shop is a big one. If somebody's making videos on products with their links, so that people, when they buy using their link, they get that commission. And there's a lot of people making a lot of money every month doing TikTok Shop. Another way to make money is a print-on-demand type business structure, where you use a site like Printify to create your own designs, upload them, and they are printed onto things like mugs and t-shirts. Once your design is created, it's kind of like the digital products. Once your design is created, people just purchase and nothing is done on your end. It is all managed through the site and you're good to go. So that truly does become passive income once you've set that up, and you don't even have to worry about the shipping or any of that. Another way to make some money is through online courses. If you have a certain area that you're interested in, that you have a lot of knowledge in, create content around that. Either get subscribers that can get more information if they subscribe from you about whatever it is that you're teaching. Just like mine focuses on finance and teaching people about making money. You could have your own expertise, and maybe it's learn to knit and you teach people to knit, and tips on knitting, and give out templates, whatever it is. And you can create content around that, or you can create products like video packages where people purchase to learn from you, or people could purchase one-on-one sessions. So there's lots of ways that you can offer your services to make money. So the next one I'm going to talk about is reselling. There are so many platforms out there where you can resell your clothing, your items that you find. There's lots of ways to make money. You don't even have to spend any money to start making money. So look in your own closet and see what you have to sell. Poshmark, eBay. eBay allows you to list so many items for free before charging you for a shop, and Poshmark is free, unlimited. They just get their 20% on any sales that you make. So this is a favorite side hustle for many people. I am a reseller. I primarily sell on Poshmark and eBay right now. I source through thrift stores, bin stores, Whatnot. Whatnot is an auction site, if you're not familiar, where you can bid on things, and it is a great place to find things for a really great deal. I've also sold things on Whatnot as well as a seller. So there are so many different things that you can do to make money. Just be smart. Don't overbuy. Do not get so overwhelmed with the inventory that you go and source that you can't list it all. Don't create death piles. Only source for more once you have everything listed. So that is like the number one takeaway for that, because people can go way overboard when it comes to sourcing, because that's the fun part, and they'll end up with so much inventory that it'll take forever to even break even for their costs that they put into it. So start with the stuff that you have around your house that you want to sell, and go from there. And another way to make money is investing in stocks, but that is risky. So I would say focusing more on ETFs or stable, diversified type stocks, like an ETF, where it's not all your eggs in one basket, and higher dividend stocks where you can get a payout routinely from the money for the amount of shares you have invested. So that is a good way to guarantee return if you have a stock with dividends. And over time, the market is consistently growing. Over the last 10 years, I think we're consistently growing at a pace of 8% per year. So you're most likely going to be making, and it's going to grow, but this is something that you're really wanting money for down the road and not tomorrow. So what is your favorite side hustle? What is something you've done to make money on the side? Maybe it's a side hustle turned full time. Let me know in the comments. I want to hear from you guys, real ways that you've been making money, and make sure you're subscribed so you can learn every day how to make money, smart money moves, money tips, stock trading advice, stock picks, and just a little bit about my life as well. The key to being successful with your side hustles is to start small. Don't think you're going to do all of these at once. Pick one thing, start small, and be consistent. Consistency truly is key, and the person that stays consistent day after day after day after day after day after day after day is going to be the one that's going to see the most success. Most people quit before they see the return. So if you're committed, be consistent, and you can be successful. Like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know your side.